My name is Tiffany McDaniel. I'm a student at Winston-Salem State University obtaining my bachelor's degree. I'm going to tell you about Gaston Regional Juvenile Detention Center, which is a medium security facility located in Dallas, North Carolina. This facility houses 24 beds that takes in delinquent minors. It is managed by Angela Wilson. The detention center is enclosed by a perimeter fence and electronic detection system. The facility's purpose is to help the inmates prepare themselves for to be productive citizens in the community. It offers wide ranges of work and treatment programs. The detention center is a state-operated prison. The inmates are generally locked in a cell during the night and are allowed certain privileges during the day. These privileges consist of TV time, use of recreational areas, library, and phone privileges. Some inmates may have the opportunity to work jobs within the prisons. Inmates receive 3 meals a day prepared by a registered dietitian, consisting between 2,100 and 2,500 calories total.